Birds. Hey, baby. Alright. So I already came out here with the little one after he got out of school. And we have gone through here looking for bugs. Found a lot of ants. Ants have destroyed this stuff. So, just some old wood boxes with some hinges on the side I got from a job a few years ago. So, but I'm gonna sift through that dirt, plant some of my stuff. We're gonna dig some holes, buddy, right?
You're a bird.
Okay, don't worry about the birds. Here is, what is this? Iceberg lettuce, some bell peppers, and some gray zucchini. Gonna put that in here. We're gonna put up some chicken wire because we have rabbits galore throughout the entire neighborhood, and I ain't letting them get my stuff. So let's do some work. We're gonna dig this up. Actually, it's Doug. It's Doug.
Hi, Doug.
Hi, Doug. We dugged it. Hey, teach me how to Doug. I'm so freaking tired. I don't know what I'm doing. I just want to get this done before the rain and see what those things are like, you know. Yeah, look at this. I like this stuff. It's good dirt. Honey, it's good dirt. I like this dirt. Gracious. Seriously, this is awesome looking. I'm so happy. Yeah, so if you wouldn't mind maybe filling this up, what do you think? Halfway? Yeah. Take the rest of that dirt out of that pot up there and put it in there? Yeah. So, I'll get that if you want. Okay. You're in your old shoes.
I gotta remember that I didn't have some stuff.
I was gonna say your old zippers. Oh. Don't worry if you get some on the ground. Good dirt. All that good dirt. Oh.
Now, if we're do you want me to transplant it, or do you want to transplant your baby?
That's my baby. I'll do that later. I like tomatoes. Get it? Yup. Yup. Hey, can you grab that? Here, let me do it. Oh, go get it. Good dirt. Plastic or paper? Paper. Plastic paper. Plastic paper. Papers and plastic. You have some of those bubbles, bud? Bubble bud. Bubble, bubble, bubble bud. I'm tired. A little clay here and there. It'll mix in. Oh my god. Feel that on my back. Little box here. Oh, I just knocked over my peppers. That's okay. Look at me go.
Woo.
Go me.
Sexy.
What are you doing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's destroying the dandelion.
Nice. What that's for?
Hey, careful.
It'll bite her.
Oh, be careful with that. It's spiky.
It'll bite her, Shaggy?
It's a spider or something?
Yeah. It'll bite her. Put it in the dirt and turn.
There you go. Look the other way, but okay.
Yeah.
Nice job, bud.
Oh, oh, oh.
All right, break time. What'd you see, buddy? See ants? We like ants, right? I don't know. Where'd the centipede go?
Oh, you getting? Okay, watch out for Daddy, please.
I don't want to find a sugar tree. You find a sugar tree for me? Here. You get away you one.
Cool, careful.
And you get away you one. Find a
Alright,
sugar
come over here while Daddy's doing this.
Find a sugar tree.
Okay, well I'm looking. I gotta help Daddy too.
And not like that. And not like that.
That's not right there. Are you sure?
No.
How do you know?
And right here. Right here.
Well, you don't have to do it all in one sitting.
Huh? Well, kind of do because of rain. Yeah, I feel good like this.
Now, why do you need a hammer?
All right. Yeah, I already got one.
Well, I don't think
Well, huh?
it's
What's coming off?
the table.
Huh? That's an old table. That was the new one. I don't know. Your hand. Thank you. All right, you do whatever. Do it somewhere. Okay, I can't be like this anymore. I'm just gonna crawl. We only have so many of those,
Okay.
so like whatever's in there.
I thought we were going. Mommy, I thought we were going.
Yeah, awesome, buddy.
I thought we were going.
Here's one up here.
Yeah.
A little honest
Ow!
I thought we were going.
Did you find the ants?
I thought worm.
No, mommy. I meant mommy found the ants.
I thought worm. I thought wormy.
Oh, well, be careful. Don't roll your fingers like that.
Yeah.
They don't like that. That hurts them, buddy. You gotta be gentle.
Ants. All right, finish up the rest. I'm going inside.